Next day I'm leaving, far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. Want a drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an unfull feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and so first to the face, I hear the voice now. You don't know, say a Cogency. Pon the Cogency Rocks channel. And today, we have country dance with drippers. You understand? I don't think I've done a country dance reaction on my channel. But I listen to country dance, not all the time, but on a consistent basis. You know what I'm saying? Ramsey is probably my favorite song, but them have a whole heap of other songs over like, but I just don't know them by name. But you don't know. Country dance drippers. I don't want to waste too much time, man. I just want to jump into this shit. So click my gaming channel, music channel, and my Instagram. You don't know, and like up and subscribe and follow up all them something there. And like, share, subscribe on this, and let's jump into it. We're not inciting. What you say? We're not inciting criminal activity. Lie. Lie or not tell. Lie. Violent behavior. Lie or not tell. Aye. Juice. Aye. Rich niggas. Aye. Not gonna lie, bro. Like, let me not cap, bro. Them niggas make me think, like, maybe let me just go join the trap. Maybe just for a couple months. Maybe just for a little bit. Maybe just for 1 month. Let me just go see what the trap's like. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, I ain't gonna lie, man. The trap trapping ain't dead. My connect still breathing. Ain't too late.
Baby girl, you know you're chilling with some rich niggas. You know them probably take your bitch
nigga.
Aye, you with some rich niggas, drippers. You know them probably take your bitch niggas. I'm on the streets, tell the labels out them 6 figures. You're talking raps that you ain't got, so I don't get triggered. Get triggered, lit niggas. You with some rich niggas, drippers. You know them probably take your bitch niggas. I'm on the streets, tell the labels out them 6 figures. You're talking raps that you ain't got, so I don't get triggered. Get triggered.
We're making bands in this trap, fuck a record deal. I don't care about the fame, I just need me these paper bills. The way we do these man dirty, this ain't no regular drill. I need a yard and the sticks and one in Beverly Hills. And I ain't signing nothing less than a couple of mil. So we don't feature with the game cause no one's keeping it real. And if you talk on touching me, you must be dreaming it still. That's honeycomb set, pendant VVS on my grills.
Ah, he's Moroccan. Alright, big up Morocco, yeah.
And if you talk on touching me, you must be dreaming it still. That's honeycomb set, pendant VVS on my grills. The gang trap a lot, it's coming like a marathon.
Man, the ice, man, just looks too clean, dog. I swear, bro. The ice and the drip on the cars, man, it's too much.
And it's still, that's honeycomb set, pendant VVS on my grills. The gang trap a lot, it's coming like a marathon. Anytime it's beef, the man just stunt and put their cameras on. I'll do this bally off or bally on. And fuck a tag along, you're riding for the gang, you put that saddle on. And I don't care if you don't like me, I don't like you either. I'll probably put this brother's reload on my Jordan.
Bro, I don't care if you don't like me, bro. I swear. I say it all the time, bro. All you niggas that wanna come on here and chat shit, man. I don't give a fuck, bro. So don't even say it, bro. Cause I really don't give a fuck.
And I don't care if you don't like me, I don't like you either. I'll probably put this brother's reload on my Jordan sneakers. It's funny since I'm doing good, these man just turn to leeches. Feel to go back to school, just to flex on all my teachers.
You with some rich niggas, drippers. You know them probably take your.
Hey, you know those teachers that say you ain't gonna be shit? Say, oh, you got ADHD. You can't stay quiet. You can't sit down. Yeah, fuck you, man. Now I'm winning.
Just to flex on all my teachers.
You with some rich niggas, drippers. You know them probably take your bitch niggas. I'm on the streets, tell the labels out them 6 figures. You're talking raps that you ain't got, so I don't get triggered. Get triggered, lit niggas. You with some rich niggas, drippers. You know them probably take your bitch niggas. I'm on the streets, tell the labels out them 6 figures. You're talking raps that you ain't got, so I don't get triggered. Get triggered. Since I got this ice, I'm giving girls a cold shoulder. Real talk, they aired me for them donnies with a cold. They used to air me, and now these gals they say they love me like I'm Chief. They say they love me. She's due to move cray after a little cold craze.
Oh man. They say they love me like I'm Chief Sosa, man. Ah.
It's ice, I'm giving girls a cold shoulder. Real talk, they aired me for them donnies with a comb over. They used to air me. And now these guys, they say
they used to air me for them donnies with a comb over. Fam, no girl that air me for a guy with a comb over can ever come back, come talk to me, dog. I'll punch you dead in your pussy, girl.
Giving girls a cold shoulder. Real talk, they aired me for them donnies with a comb over. They used to air me. And now these guys, they say they love me like I'm Chief Sosa. They say they love me. She's due to move cray after a little cold crazy. She's not speaking, but I understand her through her eyes. Maybe for a night I'll make you mad, but I can't make you right. Plus I can't see you run them guys. That's not the vibe. I'm petty. I'll probably pull up and start taking lives. Soon as I fuck her once, she's gonna come again. I tell her use that tongue, and if you want, bring a friend.
Oh, bring your friend, man.
Fuck her.
Yes.
She's gonna come again. I tell her use that tongue, and if you want, bring a friend. And bro just got the drop on shit. I tell him count me in, they spin their block. Pull up on them quick, there ain't no allowing him. Now all I see is bad bees since I got my peas up. She nicer in the morning like a cold pizza. And you know I make her moan that she moan.
She nicer in the morning like a cold pizza. That's what I'm saying?
My peas up. She nicer in the morning like a cold pizza.
Oh, pizza nicer in the morning like a cold pizza? Hey, I never know. Hey, let me try that still.
Now all I see is bad bees since I got my peas up. She nicer in the morning like a cold pizza. And you know I make her moan that she moan and Lisa. Bro, I thought I bust my gun when I can't get no sleep. You with some rich niggas, drippers. You know them probably take your bitch niggas. I'm on the streets, tell the labels out them 6 figures. You're talking waps that you ain't got, so I don't get triggered. Get triggered, lit niggas.
You're talking waps, but you ain't got them, so I don't get triggered. I don't get triggered, bro. Like, you get waps triggered, yeah, man.
Out them 6 figures. You're talking waps that you ain't got, so I don't get triggered. Get triggered, lit niggas. You with some rich niggas, drippers. You know them probably take your bitch niggas. I'm on the streets, tell the labels out them 6 figures. You're talking waps that you ain't got, so I don't get triggered. Get triggered.
Course, we don't hang around them bitch niggas. Big figures, he'd pull up in my crib, nigga. Your bitch splashing with some real drillers. And once we go clear, I'm buying up some new triggers. Your people ain't safe, now you ain't about. Killers on standby for when it dies down. There's a countdown on your clock. You're in my swamp and I'm the croc. He's a pigeon, I'm a hawk. You better listen when I talk. Hey, what? So don't be talking on my name. Keep chatting up online, we'll put your picture in the frame. That happened so long, I could have made the Hall of Fame. I'm an OG, now I let the youngest play the game. But if I'm active, I might spit.
Man's a trapping so long about OG in the game, fam. What?
The Hall of Fame, I'm an OG.
What?
And we'll put your picture in the frame. That happened so long, I could have made the Hall of Fame. I'm an OG, now I let the youngest play the game. But if I'm active, I might spin it on your block. Country Don, hella drip, why'd you think the gal them flock? I let them fizz me up, then I let my soda pop. If they think they're catching me, they gon' need Robocop.
Yeah, I let them fizz me up, then I let my soda pop. Yeah, man.
Fizz me up, then I let my soda pop. If they think they're catching me, they gon' need Robocop.
Hey, Robocop is a serious guy still.
Countryside. They know I like that country. Baby girl, you know you're chilling with some rich nigga.
You know, probably take your bitch nigga. You know, hey, bro, I'm telling you, bro. Man, they make me want just go see what the chap is working, talking about. You understand? Yeah, bro, might as well, dog. We ain't got shit else to lose, nigga. Joe, you understand? Stay out the trap and stay in school and don't do drugs. You understand? But anyway, country dance with drippers, man. This was 6 still. You know, we don't really do much like rap on the channel. So today, I'd give this probably an 8. Yeah, I'll give this an 8 out of 10. You understand? Tell me what you rate in the comments. Tell me what you want to see next. Cogency and the Cogency Rocks channel. I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Yeah. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. I love you,